What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keisha, also known as the Master Stylist. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, or hey boy, hey. Today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this wig from BGM Hair. If you guys want to hear about this wig and hear the review, see the review, then continue watching. Hey girl, hey. I got a package. This one is from BGMgirl Hair. Excuse me, y'all, while I was so rudely interrupted. So here's the packaging that it came in. It's in the dust bag, bonnet, edge brush, lashes, lace band, nude cap, brown cap. Other hair companies. This is what we be needing. Everybody's scalp ain't light skin. This is it. Especially for glueless wigs. This is what we need right here. Okay? This is what we need. So, let me put my brown cap on. Okay. Yes, cap. This is what we be needing. Look at that. Yes. I'll send us these color caps. This is another pre-cut wig, and this one is pre-plucked, and the knots are bleached. Look at that hairline, girl. So without further ado, let's get into the construction of the cap. This is the lace closure. It's a lace closure glueless unit. So let's try BGMgirl Hair, okay? And they on TikTok too, y'all. So if you follow me on TikTok, I'll link it there as well. This is also a removable band. And remember, all glueless wigs, you can always glue them down if you want to. But I like the freedom of being able to take it off. Now, it's not on a breathable cap, but it does have a band. So I don't know if we're supposed to sew these on. It did come with these clips. I don't know. Okay. So you can see where the wig definitely like comes over my ear a little bit. But other than that, let's get into it. Just coming out the pack, baby. I mean, this fresh out the pack. Now, I don't know if I want to comb it and make it any bigger, because it's big. So I'm taking a little bit of that lace spray that I have and just putting it on top of the lace. Now let me touch sis up or whatever. So I think I'm gonna do some just some light baby hair. And when I say light, I mean light. Making sure they're even. Cut these. I'm gonna use my ooh, I ain't used it in so long, Lord. I hope it open. So I guess I need to order me another one of these. I love boho. I want to be a boho. So this is the lace jelly. This is not a glue. It's definitely for like a temporary hold. And I'm gonna take some of that. And then we're gonna take our little brush that they gave us. Okay, and then while that is sitting on here, I'm going to take this band and I'm going to put the band around just to kind of give that thing like a little melt. Okay, so then I'm going to just clean up my part. Your Main Life Collection Main Glaze. Now, I ain't had no big hair in a long time now. When I was heavier, yeah, but I don't think I wanted to look too big. But I feel like I want to spray some rose water on it. Something that ain't too, you know. Oh, it's getting big, y'all. It's getting big. Could have put some foam wrap on it too. So I'm just go ahead and make it big. I'm gonna comb it out and then put some foam wrap. So I got our travel size Main Life Collection foam. So you can see how this side looks. Oh, my bad. You can see how this side looks compared to this side. So this is some, I like to call these kind of curls like vacation hair. This is definitely giving vacation hair. If you're going out of town and you just want some get up and go hair, this is it. And like I say, you can glue it down if you want to. So if you're doing some activities and you don't want your wig flying off. Okay, so I like this little wig, girl. Get into it. Clean up my part. Girl. Girl. So this is it. I didn't have to cut it. I didn't have to bleach no knots. I didn't have to do anything but put her on, put some sheen, some Main Life Collection foam wrap. You definitely want to make sure you're using something soft and not like a mousse that's going to make the hair hard. But it's definitely giving vacation hair, and I don't know, I might wear this for out of town. I was thinking about another wig. Definitely gonna be a wig, but this is it. I love it. So make sure you guys check out BGM Hair. They on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. I will tag them on TikTok as well. And it's not extremely big. Like, I don't have a big bulk. It is wider as far as like slightly over my ears right here. But that's, you know, I could deal with that. I don't know about when I put my glasses on now. I love this one, y'all. And it's if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to get notified. And I'll see you guys again for the next video.